Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Ruger LCP 380. For those that don't know, LCP stands for Light Compact Pistol. The Ruger LCP was introduced in 2008 and it quickly became one of the most popular concealed carry guns on the market. As a compact 380, the owner could easily carry it in their pocket or in a small holster in their waistband. There's literally hundreds of thousands of these made every single year, and a lot of people say that they're outdated compared to other guns, but I don't think so. The slide on this thing is made out of alloy steel with a black oxide finish. The frame here is made out of high glass filled nylon. The barrel is made out of alloy steel. Again, it's very easy to conceal at 0.82 inches. The weight on this is about 9.6 ounces empty and about 10 to 12 fully loaded mag. The barrel length is 2.80 inches, 3.6 inches in height, and you can pick these up fairly cheap for about $240 to $350, depending on where you get it from. And the overall length is a little bit over 5 inches. The biggest complaint on a lot of these LCPs are the sights. They're extremely low profile and they're milled right into the slide. The rear sight is a little notch that's kind of wide. There's no texturing on there, so it's hard to see to the eye. And you can see the little front sight on there. There's really no aftermarket parts that you can get for it. But what I heard some people do is they put a little bit of fluorescent paint up here on the top of it, and it's easy for aim down sight speed. Again, this LCP is a concealed carry firearm. It isn't a gun that you're going to take to the range and put hundreds of rounds through it. The purpose is it's built for concealed carry. It's very lightweight, very small. This gun comes with a 6-round mag capacity. And although that doesn't seem like a lot, hopefully 6 rounds of 380 will get the job done if someone needs to use it and they're in a dangerous situation. This LCP has very nice round edges on it. It feels very good, even if you have big hands. As far as aftermarket, you could get an extended mag like I got here because I have big hands. Again, if you got the little one, your pinky finger doesn't touch nothing. It's very hard to hold. The mag release is very easy. You can break it open with one hand without breaking your grip. And again, with the extended mag on there, you get a lot better grip for it. Obviously, there ain't going to be no, like I said, aftermarket sights to put on this thing, considering how it's set up. To me, that's another downside to this. But then again, you don't have to worry about any snags pulling it out of your holster or pulling it out of your pocket. Like I said, the mag release works very well. It's a square push-in that works pretty good. The slide has serrations to pull the slide back. They're okay, but they're not like the LCP2 that has serrations on the front of the side, and they're a lot more aggressive than the ones on this one. They're very small. Like I said, it's not like the LCP. The trigger has a single action hammer fire trigger, but it feels like it's a double action trigger. It has a long, consistent pull. Not a lot of people like that, but I do. A long pull and a long reset. I think my trigger pull on here breaks at about 8 pounds. As I say, there's no aftermarket things that you can get for this as far as some accessories, except for the hand extension. That's about it that I've been able to find. You can't really replace the sights, and it doesn't make sense to replace any other parts on it. There are some trigger kits available, but I can't see tearing the gun apart just to replace the trigger on it. You can disassemble this very easy. Disassemble it into the recoil assembly slide and barrel. It's easy to clean, easy to lube, and easy to reassemble, and I'll do that in a little bit. Like I said, it's designed for catch-free extraction from your pocket or holster. It's a point-and-shoot weapon at close range. Like I said, a little fluorescent paint up here in the front would help, you know, to align with your eye if you're shooting it. Like I said, this LCP is a basic hammer fire trigger with no bells and whistles. It's just easy to use, easy to carry. Although the 380 isn't the most powerful round, or it's not as powerful as a 9mm, but if you do your research, you'll see that 6 rounds of 380 will definitely get the job done. There's 16 different models of this gun. Like I said, they all come with a 2.7, 2 3/4 inch barrel, 6+1 round capacity, regardless of the model that you get. And each frame is, like I said, it's glass-filled nylon frame. Again, the slide is made out of alloy steel, and the barrel is made from hardened steel. The trigger pull, again, is long and heavy. Mine breaks at about 8 pounds. The long trigger pull is designed to keep the gun safe with the round in the chamber, because there's no manual safety on this firearm. There's no manual safety on it at all. It's made very simple. It adds to the simplicity of it with no external safety on it. It's like I said, it's not a target pistol. It's made for very close encounters. That's about it. Like I said, it comes with 1 mag and two base plates that you can change your thing with. Some people think that being it small, it doesn't have recoil, but it's the opposite. The reality is that the grip is very small. That means that the gun is going to have a lot of recoil, and you're going to feel it. My overall thoughts is I think it's a very good gun. I would like to see something done with the serrations here. They're very slick, if you know, smooth to. If you want to rack the slide back, it's not easy to hold. Because like I said, there's hardly no serrations on them at all. If you have an LCP, then you know what I'm talking about. It's probably not a gun that you're going to pass down to your grandkids. It'll probably get destroyed someplace and end up in a box of broken gun parts. And these do get surface rust on them very quickly. It's a very poor finish, that black oxide finish on here. When I carried mine for several years, I carried it in my front pocket, and I used a little tiny holster. I don't have it with me here, but because like I said, they do rust very quickly, so keep an eye out for that. Mine hasn't gotten too bad yet, but like I said, I recently just switched up and I started carrying this North American Arms 22 Magnum as my everyday carry. Let me know what you guys think about it. You guys have one? How do you like it? And you guys change the trigger on yours? Again, take this down for cleaning or whatever is very easy. Take the mag out, rack it, make sure there's nothing in there. Get your little flathead screwdriver, pop the pin out here, and you could come forward and take the slide right off. It's very simple to take this gun apart. You take the slide out, and then with the barrel, you pull it out and push it up to get it out of there. It's a little bit tricky sometimes, and that's about it. It's very simple to disassemble and assemble. You can take it apart and clean it very quickly, and then reassemble it. It's the same thing. You just do the same thing with it. Very easy to do. The takedown pin is right in the middle. It's not like it is on some of the other firearms. You align your slide back up. There's a little spring here on the inside here. You got to push down on it with this pin to get it started. And you might have to adjust your slide a little bit to make sure that pushes in all the way. And that's it. It's simple as that, guys. It's very easy to take it apart. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. and let me know what you guys think about it. Have a great day, everyone.